Is there a keyboard shortcut to take your cursor into the URL bar for Chrome? Possible duplicate. Keyboard shortcut to quickly jump to the URL address field in Firefox. Is there a keyboard shortcut to take your cursor into the URL bar for Chrome? I want to keep my fingers on the home row. Is there a shortcut that would take my cursor into the URL/query input area, as opposed to having to click in it?
Windows. Ctrl+L or Alt+D. Mac. +L. Check out more in keyboard and mouse shortcuts.
F6 highlights the URL bar. I'm not sure if there is any shortcut for moving the actual cursor to the URL bar, though.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.